How to numbering paragraphs in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my first page and I have some paragraphs here. So this is a simple way guys. Just select the paragraph where we want to number which you want to number. Okay, so just select that paragraphs, go to the format, go to the line and go to the bullet and numbering, and here go to the numbering, and you can use the option 1 or 2 or 3. So I just use 1. Okay, same as you can insert the number for multiple paragraphs. You need to just select the multiple paragraphs, same you need to come in that numbering option and use any option, any format as per your requirement. Okay, so that is how you can number the paragraphs in Google Docs. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.